Part of our renovation and design weather deck is this great fireplace. We have Nathan Forshaw with Forshaw St. Louis here to talk about it.
Well, thanks, Bridget. Outdoor rooms like the one that we're standing in right now have become much more popular lately. One great way to add a ton of value and ambiance to the space is with an outdoor fireplace like this one from Outdoor Lifestyles. Not only does it add a ton of value and ambiance to your space, but the added heat that comes off of it will help you use the space earlier into the spring and later into the fall. Come on into Forshaw and you can see all the brands and models that we have to choose from. We're also celebrating our 150th anniversary this year, so come on in and help celebrate with us.
For sure, and this could potentially be all seasons, because I know in the summertime even overnight lows can get kind of cool, and it's nice to be out in the summer with fireside, maybe some s'mores.
Oh, definitely, and even so we get some of those 60-degree days in January that you could certainly step outside and use this in between the snowstorms.
So it being summer, is this the busy time for you guys to start installing these, maybe preparing for the winter? When does it really pick up for you guys?
Oh yes, the fireplace business will definitely pick up into the fall, but as we've seen lately with a great company like Lakeside, the outdoor room has become much more popular, so that season is extending earlier into the summer.
And have you been seeing a surge with, the pandemic? People want to bring their family members over but stay outside. Is this a good alternative, do you think?
Certainly. I think we've seen a shift in some commercial, some consumer demand and what people are expecting, and consumer behavior has changed too. So yeah, certainly.
Yeah, I know the entire Fox 2 weather team, we're excited for not looking ahead too much into winter, but I'm excited for our first snowstorm of the season. We can get out, show you the snow, and also stay warm while you're at it. So very helpful for us even here at Fox 2. So in the next hour, we'll actually have more on what's to come here out at the weather deck. That's coming up in the 8 o'clock hour.
All right.